everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to make very easy and simple pasta recipe, and I'm going to make with chicken. I'm going to use this pasta. This is organic gemelli pasta and it's a 500 grams. Creamy Alfredo sauce, olive oil, half pound chicken breast, boneless, skinless, cut into small pieces, black pepper and salt. I use Himalayan pink salt in my cooking. You can use table salt. Garlic cloves. I'm going to chop my garlic cloves. Place my garlic cloves inside my chopper, handheld chopper. So we're going to put it inside. It's going to run it. As you see, it doesn't take that long. It's already done nice small pieces, and now we can put that other one inside. And we're going to do the same thing. So just like a few times back and forth, and it's all done. Looking good. So we can take it out. I will open up the bottom one, the blade. So I'll scoop out all the garlic clove. So after taking it out, this is our garlic. This one looks like a toy, but it done a good job. So let's start making our delicious pasta. I place the pot and I bring the water to boil. Add a half teaspoon salt. And we'll bring pasta. Give a stir. This is the way I make pasta. I just add olive oil, like a half teaspoon. Once it's nicely combined, cover with the lid. Bring this pot on the back burner so we can start cooking our chicken. And I'll put this pot up here. Our pasta is boiling on the back burner. We'll bring another pot, add 1 tablespoon olive oil. I'll leave the lid open halfway, and we're going to let the pasta boil. As the oil start to heat up, I'll bring garlic. Mix it. We're just going to cook like a 10 seconds. This is good enough. I'll bring the chicken. And mix it. We're going to cook chicken really well. So keep it moving. So keep it moving so that it won't get burned, and also our pasta will get ready by the time we are done with the chicken. As the chicken cook halfway, I'll add black pepper and salt. Mix it well. Our pasta is all ready. What I did, I transport the chicken on the back burner because chicken is already cooked, and this one is really nice and tender. So I'll drain the water. So as you see, the chicken is nicely cooked, and we'll bring the sauce. Mix it. I add little amount of water and shake it well. So we'll put it inside. So after adding the sauce and mixing it well, I'll bring the pasta. We're going to make sure that we'll put it inside. With the help of 2 forks, we're going to bring the pasta sauce from the bottom, the chicken, and keep it mixing. Now I'll bring the gas to medium low and keep it mixing. It's nice and bubbly. It's all ready. Add good amount of parsley These are fresh parsley flake, and now we're going to mix it. Our delicious chicken pasta is all ready. I'm going to get my serving platter and I'm going to share with you. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving kadai ready and we're going to dish out. Look at creamy, delicious chicken pasta. This is very quick and easy and a simple recipe. Let me share with you. Chicken pasta is all ready. Please try it, and it's very easy and simple to make, but it's a super delicious. And you always can add Parmesan cheese on top of it. Please try this quick and easy, simple pasta recipe and you're going to like it. And please comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.